Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to divide both sides by y. Next, we divide both sides by dx. So we have x over y. This is about the root number 1. So this is about homogeneous. So I will put about y equals to vx. Later that we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. First derivative of v, we have dv over dx multiplied by x. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have v. This is about the product rule of derivative. So we need to change y into vx. Similar for this one and this one. dy over dx we change by this one. So this one we have 1 over v. This one we have 1 over v. And so on. Next, we have the formula in here. ln A over b equals to ln A minus ln b. Now, number 1, that's about A. V, that's about b. So we need to transform into this one. So we know that ln number 1, that is about 0. Now we need to simplify. Negative, negative, negative. We can simplify. Next, we divide both sides by this one. Next, I will put v go to the left. Now we do common denominator for v. So this one we have ln v plus v. So ln v minus ln v, you got about 0. So we just have only negative v in here. So I will put the s and s go to the left. This one will go to the right. Next, I will put the integration for the both sides. So this one, we have ln v over v squared, and we have 1 over v. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by past. So I will put about u equals to ln v. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about du equals to dv over v, and we have dt equals to dv over v squared. So the integration of this one, we have t equals to negative 1 over v. So we have u multiplied by t minus we have the u multiplied by t. So because we have the negative sign in here, negative with negative, you got positive, and we have the integration dv over v squared. The integration of this one, we have negative 1 over v, and we put about c. Now we go back in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of 1 over v, and we have the negative sign, so we have negative ln of the absolute value of v. So we put the absolute value in here. Next, the integration of this one, we have ln of the absolute value of s. Now negative with negative, you got about positive. About v, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by s. Now we need to change v into y over s. So this one we have s over y. Similar for this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.